On this exercise, you want to go with a slightly stronger cord, okay? Because it's kind of easy to do. It's one of your bigger muscles, one of your stronger muscles. Now you want to find something to attach the cable to so you can lie down in front of it. You can also place your mat right in front of you. And what I do usually is I'll take the cable, I'll attach it, and then I'll notice it's probably not strong enough, so I'll wrap it around another time on each side just to make it a little harder to do. There we go. Go ahead and lie down. Hold on to it. You want to move down as much as you can so there's tension on the cable. So go ahead and move down. Now come down, all the way down. There we go. Squeeze those back muscles. Also, you want to come out slightly wide. When you come down, you want to come down as far as you can so you can squeeze that lat muscle. Go ahead, extend all the way. Good. Now come down all the way down. Breathe in on the way out. Blow out on the way down. Don't move around. You're nice and solid. Look straight up. You don't want to have your hands come out too wide, okay? So a little bit inward, but not too much. 90-degree angles again.